Hey there, this is K4A Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials. In this video today we are going to learn how to copy, paste complete sprites one to another and sprite parts. In one of the previous videos about sketching in Scratch we have learned how to copy paste same sprite like we did here with those apples in copy paste Let's Sketch in Scratch video, and that's all cool. That worked very well. We had a sprite apple like this. We opened the costumes, we copy pasted it a couple of times because we needed 2 or 3 apples on the screen. But what happens if we need different sprites combined on the same sprite, on the same image? Like for example, I want to have in the same image bananas, apple, and let's say what other fruit we have here, strawberries, watermelon, and so on. So let's import bananas on the screen. So we have now bananas, we have apples and bananas, and we have strawberry, we want food, watermelon, and that's it. So I want to combine those, and although I think I have something like that fruit platter, but this is photo, and this fruit salad, yeah, I will open that later. For some reason, for example, we don't like this fruit salad sprite, so we want to create our own custom. So the problem here which I have is that I have those objects on my screen and I can copy paste them and create some kind of combo, but I want to have that all as one sprite, as one image. For example, now on the screen I would have to click on every one of those and move them around, and that's not very practical. I want to click only on one of those and to move them all together like a group. That's one thing. And another is that, for example, if I want to have 4 or 5 strawberries, I would have to import same sprite couple of times, and same works for bananas, watermelon, and apple. So that's the problem, and the idea how to solve it is that we are going to create a new combo sprite by copy pasting different sprites. So far, again, if you remember the video which we already made, I have copy pasted this sprite in itself couple of times. So I have copy pasted apple into apple, but now I want to select bananas, and as you can see I'm in my select tool, and when I click on bananas, because they are grouped one for each other, I would have to click and select them all together by dragging the select area. Now they are all selected, so now I will click on copy, here copy icon on my top menu, or Ctrl C on my keyboard, and then enter the apple. So again, first select bananas, copy them with copy button, then enter the sprite you want, where you want to paste them, and then click on paste. And as you can see, now I have my bananas and apple together in one image, in one sprite. So we have now combined 2 sprites together, and I can resize those bananas here, rotate them a little bit, and create a group of those. Group, select them and create group, so I can now select them like this. And same with apple, undo, I want to select all of the parts of the apple, click group so I can group it here and put it in front of bananas. We have two fruits now. I can now delete Sprite bananas from my screen because I have it here in my apple. Okay, same with watermelon. I will see first how this image is made. Okay, it's ungrouped, so I have to select all of this, group it, then select it. Okay, then select it, copy, and enter the apple sprite, then paste it here. Again, scale it a little bit to be more realistic and put it somewhere on the screen where you want. The problem here is that it's in front. I want it to be all the way back, so I will click the back icon here on my top menu, and now it's all the way back behind banana, behind the apple. That's how I like it. Cool. And now couple of strawberries, but first I will maybe copy paste apple couple of times. Yeah, 2 times is enough, and couple of strawberries here, and that's it. Select watermelon sprite, delete it, and I will hide the cat so we have all of this on our screen. And strawberry, yes, select, yeah, let me first see. Yeah, it's not grouped. So again, just think what we are doing here. We are doing a couple of things. We are now using select tool to select everything. We use group to group it. We use copy. We use paste. We use scale. We use rotate, we use copy, paste again, and as you can see, lots of different zoom, lots of different tools which we have learned before, and that's why I wanted to show you how you can use those tools which we have learned before to create something new. And it is fast and it is easy, but it is very, very powerful. So we now have 1 banana pack, 2 apples, 2 strawberries, and a watermelon, but they are all together now in 1 sprite. And I will rename that sprite as fruit mix, maybe, yeah, fruit mix. Okay, so, and I will again select all of those and center them a little bit at the middle of the screen, like this. Zoom it, yeah, it looks great. Again, they are now all on the same sprite. This is all one image with couple of different sprites in it, and we can group them all together, just selecting all of those and clicking group. I will not do that, but you can do it if you want. I will delete strawberry sprite from my stage because I don't need it, and now we have 1 sprite on our stage, 1 sprite of melon, bananas, apples, and strawberries all together. And now I can click on any of those and move them all together, which is what I wanted for my scene. And as you can see, I have only 1 sprite here called fruit mix. Again, I don't have separate sprites, 1 for banana, 1 for apple, 1 for strawberry, 1 for watermelon. I didn't want that. I want 1 sprite only, so I have combined them together, copy paste them together, and now I can move them easily, scale them, use them whatever I want, or combine them however I want. This again is common sense, common knowledge. Most of you probably already know all of this, but some people I see are still confused on what they can do and how they can use or reuse all of these sprites here, or custom sprites which they made, and this was combining sprites together. We have copy pasted complete sprites. Another thing to do is copy pasting parts of the sprites one into another, and let me show you fast how to do it. So for example, I will pick monkey will be good, and sprite for cat. So I will hide the fruit mix now, and for example I have two sprites. I have cat sprite and monkey sprite, and for example, for some reason for my game or animation I like the body of the monkey sprite and head of the cat. I want to combine them, and vice versa. I like the body of the cat sprite and head of the monkey, so I want to combine those two. So in short, I want to change their heads. I want to swap head of the cat to the monkey and monkey head to the cat. And how to do it? Same as we just already did here with fruit mix, same works with these sprites, but only in this case we are going to use sprite parts. So again, first of all, I want to check out how this sprite is made, and as I can see, there is a group for the head but it's not complete. It doesn't control eyes and mouth and so on. So I will select all of those, create group. Now it's better. So I have group for the head of the monkey selected, copy. So I'm not copying the whole monkey here like we did with the fruits, just the part of it. Then I enter the sprite of the cat, then I click paste, and I have monkey face here. I select it and scale it, and I will do the same for the cat head. I will click on the cat's head, copy and paste it into the monkey. So now I delete monkey's head in monkey sprite and put this, and this even looks good. Yeah, this could work. It's like cat in monkey suit or whatever. So position it and scale it if needed. I don't think it needed scaling. And similar to here, I will delete the cat head and put the monkey on it. Maybe a little bit scaling more, and yeah. So now we have two new sprites which we created with combining, and we can put the fruit mix between those. Yeah. Crazy. Anyway, the whole idea here is that in Scratch you can copy paste complete sprites one into another like we did with fruit mix, but you can also copy paste sprite parts like we did with cat and monkey sprite, and use that whatever and whenever you want, in whichever style you want, however you want. Combine all of those and create new stuff if you need. If you cannot find something which you need here, maybe you can take parts from another sprites and create it that way. It's simple as that. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye for now.